Spotify Music is one of the largest platforms that allows you and I to go on there and look for different musics to listen. Now I want you to imagine, what if you can get paid and make money online by simply listening to music? I mean, isn't that awesome? And it doesn't matter if you're coming from India, Philippines, US, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, or any countries in the world, you can make money starting today by simply listening to Spotify Music. And you can easily cash out your money, $260 right there, $460, even big payment like this over $900 US. And guess what? You can just repeat this as much as you want, and no, you don't need to have any followers, and you don't need to refer anyone to this platform, and no, you don't need any money at all to get started, because this is 100% free. All you need is just a mobile phone or a computer, and I'll show you a few bonus somewhere on this video that's gonna help you to earn double more money compared to other people. So make sure you stick around and watch this video all the way until the end. Before we go into the video, make sure you subscribe to all of my YouTube channels and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any brand new videos. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the best way to make money online, make sure you click on the first link in the video description, and I'll send you all the details into your email inbox. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can use Spotify Music and listen music on the Spotify platform, and you are going to get paid. Throughout this entire video, I'll walk you through how you can set up your Spotify account, which is 100% free. You can do it on your phone, you can do it on your computer, and yes, this is worldwide. And once you set up your Spotify account, I'll walk you through this secret website that no other people talking about, where you can simply get paid to listen to music. I've never seen anyone in the history of YouTube, nobody talking about this before, and I'm gonna be the first one, so make sure you pay close attention so that you can learn everything. And right here, I just want to show you the earning potential on this website. By simply listening to music, you can get paid up to $800 in pounds. Real quick, I just want to show you $800 pounds sterling. When we convert that into US dollars, you can literally earn over $1,000 in US, right? US dollars, easily by simply listening to music. Once again, this is gonna be a brand new website which is super exciting, and I'll show you everything right on this video and how you can use Spotify Music to get paid again and again. Now, once you've understand the entire overview of today's video, I want to show you first of all Spotify, okay? You can go on to open.spotify.com, otherwise you can straightly go on to your app. Now, if you use an Android phone, you can go on to Google Play Store and you can search for Spotify, listen to new music and play podcasts. From there, the logo looks like this. Make sure you download the right application, and over 20 million reviews. A lot of people, they are loving this app right now. They use it every single day to listen to music. But the funny thing is that no one actually know about this secret website where they can actually get paid by simply listen to Spotify Music. But you right now who are watching this video, you get to know the secret. Once again, if you're using an iPhone, you can just go on to your app store and download Spotify as well. Now, I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of devices or what type of phone are you using. Do you use an Android phone or using an iPhone? Just comment down below and let me know. Now, if this is your first time using Spotify, when you go onto your dashboard, you have to sign up for a free account, and this is completely free. Now, you can just go and click on this link right here on top, or click on this button where it says sign up for free. So from there, that's going to take you to this page where you can see here, sign up for free to start listening. You can either sign up using a Facebook account, or you can just using your email address, confirm your email and put in a password, and just give a profile name. You can just put whatever username that you want, and your date of birth, your gender, and also click on this I'm not a robot and sign up for a free account. Now, once you've got your account set up, you're able to log in into your Spotify account, and you're able to see your profile right here. Now, the first thing you'll see that there are just so many musics right here on Spotify which you can listen, and they come in so many different categories. For example, you can see here focus category, or right here you can see trending now, or your favorite playlist, or right there popular albums, popular new releases, popular artists. There's just so many different musics to listen and so many different categories, and which one should you focus that's gonna pay you the most amount of money. So that's exactly what I'm gonna show you right on this video. Now, say for example, if you wanna listen on this music, you can just click on this image and they're able to start playing. You can just click on this play button right here to start listening to music. But one thing I want to share with you is that you can actually create a playlist. As you can see, when I click on this button where it says create playlist, you click on that and you can create a brand new playlist, and that's gonna make you a lot of passive income every single day. Now I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. So we're gonna come back here to Spotify in just a moment, but right now I want to show you this secret website where you can actually sign up to become a music curator, and you can get paid by simply listening to music. Make sure you keep watching, and I'll reveal the name of this website in just a moment. Basically what you can do is that you can become a music curator. You can start by listening to Spotify music, and then you can put all of the musics into a playlist. Now once you put all of the musics into a playlist, which I'll show you in just a moment, which is very important, and then you can actually submit them onto this website. You can see here, earn regular money through your submission. For every single music playlist that you submit on this website, you are going to get paid. The more playlists that you submit, the more submissions that you do, the more money you're gonna make on this website. So from there, as you can see here, how many submissions do I need to actually earn money? They're gonna show you much more information right here on their website. Basically, if you do less than 200 submissions, you are not gonna get paid. You're gonna receive $0. But once you achieve at least minimum 200 submits, you're able to start making money on this website. Once again, just like what I told you earlier, the more playlists that you submit, the more submissions that you do, the more money you're gonna make. So as you can see here, on the highest earning 2,500 submissions that you do, you can actually earn 800 pounds right on this website, and that's gonna convert into over 1,000 US dollars, and you can just repeat this again and again. This is actually a brand new website which is super exciting and super beginner friendly that anyone can do by simply listening to music. So right now, if you wanna get started earning on this website, you can simply go on to musicgateway.com. Okay, musicgateway.com. And one thing very important is that there's gonna be a sign up process which is a little bit tricky, and I'll show you how to fill out all the form right here so that you can begin making money. So make sure you stick around and watch until the end so that you don't miss out on this important part. From there, you're able to come over to this page. You can just scroll down below and look for any button where it says get in touch. As you can see here, get in touch, just click on this button right here, and from there, that's gonna take you to this page. As you can see here, curator, influencer, and playlist submission application. And this website is so professional. They're gonna give you all the payment on time. And right here, when I scroll down below, are you a Spotify curator? As you can see here, we're gonna focus on Spotify right here on this video, and I'll show you how you can listen to different musics and how you can arrange them into different playlists and to submit them. And once again, you don't need to have any followers. You don't need to refer to anyone. You don't have to sell anything. All you gotta do is just listen to Spotify music and group them into different playlists, submit them, and get paid. As simple as that. Once again, if interested, please fill in the form below and we will be in contact soon. When you scroll down beneath, you're gonna see the entire form that you have to fill up, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a moment. So the first thing that you gotta do is to put in your email address right here into the first box, and then curator name, you're gonna put in your full name right here into this box. And from there, Spotify playlist, YouTube channel, radio station, blog, or other. So in this case, we're gonna focus on Spotify. You can just click on Spotify right here because that's gonna be the easiest way to get started. So once again, when you scroll down below, you can see here link to playlist, channel, station, or blog. Now, very important, in just a moment, I'll show you how to do it on Spotify and how you can actually get your link of your playlist and how you can actually put in right there into this box in order to apply for an account. So make sure you watch until the end, or otherwise you're gonna get confused or you will fail to sign up. On the next question, how many submissions do you receive roughly each week? Remember what I told you earlier, you need to have minimum at least 200 submissions in order to start getting paid, because if you do below 200, you're gonna get paid $0. When you're answering these questions, it's going to depend on how much time you have, how hardworking you actually are, and how many musics you want to listen, how many playlists you do actually want to submit. But just make sure that it is at least above 200 in order to actually get paid. And if you want to make it into a full-time income, I would suggest you maybe do 1,000 submission, and you're going to go full-time into this one and start making a lot of money on this website. From there, what genre do you accept, right? What different kind of categories of musics do you accept? For example, pop, dance, hip-hop, rock, jazz, soul, and so on. From there, the more categories that you have, the more money you can make on this website. And I'll show you how you can find different kinds and genres of music on Spotify in just a moment. Follow Music Gateway on Instagram. You can just choose on yes or no, it doesn't matter for this question. And finally, anything you would like to add or want us to know, you can just leave it blank for this question. Now finally, become a Music Gateway member or continue as a guest. Right there, just put in your first name, last name, and your country. You can just choose on whatever country you're coming from. They're basically accepting worldwide. Spotify. Now I want you to comment down below and let me know what country are you coming from so that I can create more videos in your region in my future videos. And once you've selected your country, just put in a username and a password and you can click on the submit button. So that's basically all you gotta do in order to sign up for a free account and send your application. Once you're approved by this website, you can start listening to music and putting in your submission of different playlists and start getting paid. Right now, very important, we're gonna move into a very important step, and I want you to go back to a Spotify app on your phone or on your computer. And from there, we're gonna find different musics and put them into different playlists, submit them to make money. From there, I want you to check this out. There are different categories that are actually interested by music gateway. Say for example, pop music. So what I want you to do right now is to go back to Spotify and click on the search button, and I want you to search on the keyword which is pop. Okay, pop music, and we're gonna click on the search button. From there, they're gonna show us all the musics related to the pop category. These are all the musics in the pop category, and I want you to click on see all. Look at this, by simply using the search function, you're able to find all the pop musics, everything laid on this, and there are literally hundreds and thousands of different musics. Right now, what I want you to do is to actually create a brand new playlist. I want you to click on this button where it says create playlist, and you're gonna give a name to your playlist. Say for example, pop genre. Just click on this create button right here. Look at this, you successfully create a brand new playlist on Spotify. So right now what you're gonna do is to add different musics into this genre into your playlist. One thing very cool about the Spotify feature is that when you scroll down below, they're gonna automatically recommend different musics based on the pop genre. Look at this, all of these musics, they're actually in the pop genre. So right now what I want you to do is to click on the add button for all the musics right here under the recommendation. Okay, recommendation, I want you to add all of them into your genre playlist. Look at this, I just do all the things right here, and there are over 10 musics right now. From there, I just click on your library, and under the playlist section under pop genre, I just click on this right here. This is the playlist that I just created just now, and over 22 songs right here into this playlist. That's all you gotta do. As you can see here, in less than 1 minute, I'm able to come up with a playlist into the pop genre. That's actually one genre and one playlist that you can submit on this website. Look at this, that's actually one submission, and you'll need more than 200 in order to start getting paid, and you're gonna put in a lot of time to listen to different musics and putting them into a playlist to actually submit them. So the next thing that I want to show you is that you can actually grab a link of your playlist. So right here, when I click on this three little dot, as you can see here, click on this, and you're gonna click on here copy playlist link. When you click on this, that's gonna automatically copy the link of your playlist. That's everything you gotta do, and you can just rinse and repeat the entire strategy. Look for and create for different new playlists and add music into those playlists. For every submission of the playlist, you're able to get paid on this website. That's how you can simply listen to music and get paid over and over again. If you think that today's video is too difficult and you want something more easier that can help you to make money online right now, make sure you go ahead and click on the first link in the video description. Click on that and I'll send you all the details into your email inbox. And don't forget to subscribe to all of my channels and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more money making videos, make sure you click on the next video as you can see here on the screen. Click on that and I'll see you on the inside.